Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade lemon ice cream. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 lemons. The first thing you want to do is zest 2 of your lemons. I also have a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can use 1/3 to 1/2 cup. It depends on how strong you like your lemon flavor. Okay, in a large bowl you want to add 2 cups of your heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to get a hand mixer and we're just going to whip it for 4 to 5 minutes until it forms stiff peaks. Okay guys, next we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk. And also our lemon zest. Now all you're going to do is fold it all in until it's well combined. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our lemon juice and mix until well combined. Once everything is well combined, now I'm going to place it into my large loaf pan. Once you pour it into your pan, all you want to do is smooth it out. Next, we're going to get a piece of saran wrap and wrap it tightly. Okay guys, once you have your ice cream wrapped, all we're going to do is go ahead and put it into our freezer for 6 hours. Okay guys, it's been more than 6 hours and our lemon ice cream is now done. All you want to do is let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes after taking it out the freezer. Okay guys, so as you can see, I scooped the lemon ice cream into a bowl. I put some lemon zest on top of it and it's ready to eat. If you love lemon, this is the perfect ice cream for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.